Hey everybody, it's Matt with Texas Ponds and Water Features, and this is Mando. Say hi, Mando. And today we are working on a pondless waterfall in the front yard of my house to try to get some extra business. Over the last couple of days, Mando has almost single-handedly done all this work. I'm kidding, of course he has two hands, as you can see. But anyway, he's done all this prep work almost completely by himself, getting ready for us to start, and we are starting today. Stay tuned. Well, there it is. It's finished. It looks great. It really enhances the curb appeal of the house, and it puts something that looks amazing in a place where nothing used to grow because it was too shady. All in all, great success. Roll credits.